at the Working Mom Kitchen. I want to show you how to make spicy tuna and the stinky bean fried rice. Tuna and stinky bean fried rice. And for that, we need to pound. I've taken here a little bit of green onions, few cloves of garlic. These are a few bird's eye chilies, half of red chili here, and just a bit of ginger. So I want to pound everything roughly, and this is just one chicken sausage that I've cut into smaller bits. So I'm going to fry and keep that aside for garnishing. And we have sliced onion here, and also the other half of the red chili. This is the stinky bean, and I have some carrots and also tuna. This is canned tuna, and I have 2 eggs here that I have lightly beaten, and I will fry this egg and keep it aside. So first, let's start pounding all these. Okay, so that is done now. So let's fry the sausages and the eggs. Okay, I have added some oil. So I want to fry the sausages first and use the same oil to fry the eggs. So I want them to be almost crispy. Okay, it's almost ready. We can turn off the fire and take it out. So in the same oil, let's fry the eggs. I have lightly salted and also added a pinch of freshly ground black pepper in it. Okay, it's done. Okay, I have added a little bit more oil, and we're gonna start frying the chilies that we have pounded. Everything goes in. Okay, fry for about 10 seconds and add the tuna. I am using tuna in the olive oil. So the whole can of tuna goes in. Give it a quick stir. You don't have to cook it long. Add the carrots. And the stinky beans. I've cut them into half. I'm going to add the rice now. The onion and the red chili. I have here 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and half a tablespoon of light soy sauce. Stir fry until you know that the onions are almost half cooked. Add the eggs in. Pinch of black pepper. Okay, check for seasoning and you can turn off the flame. Okay, there you have it. A wonderful, tasty bowl of spicy and delicious stinky bean and tuna fried rice. Hope you'll try this recipe at home.